Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and in this video I'm going to be doing small knotless boho braids on myself. A very good DIY moment because girl, ain't nobody trying to pay $400. If you can avoid it and you have the patience to do it yourself. If not, go to a professional because we don't want no half-done jobs. We don't want you to go to the girl that's charging $80 up the street. But if you can do it yourself, why not? So I started out with doing 3 small rows in the very back. And then I believe I'm doing 6 rows across the top. So 12 rows total, 6 rows on each side. And then I'm connecting those rows to the back.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like.
Okay, so now that my hair is done being pre-parted, I'm going to start with my braids. So I am using some braid gel to make sure that the roots is very slick, and it also helps with parting out really nice, even parts.
You feel like calling at midnight hour. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only get this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
Okay, so one thing I did want to mention is that I didn't add any boho hair to the back or middle of my braids. I only added the boho hair to the front and like top middle of my hair because I don't like having too much boho most of the time because sometimes they'll get tangled, or I just feel like it's too much maintenance. And if you don't want all that maintenance, just put in some in the front and some in like the front, like middle part section of the front. It gives you that same like boho look without all of the maintenance of having it all throughout your entire head.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a mood body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused. But you ain't even flexing, and you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know ain't proof. But you ain't even flexing, and you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside them walls. Words got deep, it's like a sword. Make making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar.
At this point, this was day 3 of me doing these braids, but I did finish it. It took me 3 days. I didn't continuously do it. I just took as much time as I could in those 3 days to complete it. But if you have like a full day where you have, you know, the entire day to braid, then you should be able to finish in 1 or 2 days. It took me 3 days because I have 2 small kids and I still have to do everyday life.
These women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body giving scene reviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover warm, different vibe, you new improved. But you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
Ooh, yeah, yeah, baby. No, no. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything.